Good morning, children. How are you all? Good. I have been, my dear children, missing you very much, and so do the teachers, and Sacred Heart School misses you. I really thought many weeks ago that I would be addressing you through this means of communication, but I really thought lockdown would be lifted up, and so soon we'll be able to meet each other in the assembly and in the classrooms. Anyway, it did not come through, and so I thought I should talk to you. Children, I know uh, you feel very bad because many people of the nation, of our country, of our state are affected by this pandemic. And, and I know that you will be praying to God for their well-being, and your prayers will be very pleasing to God. I ask you to to continue to persist in your prayer for them. Your prayer will not go unanswered. At the same time, I want to talk to you, dear children. Um, see, uh, there is a saying that some people become, the good people become better and the bad people become worse. And I like to think it is the case with all, huh? It's the case with all. But I like to think that you, all of you, would become better people. Because if you are not careful, this pandemic lockdown can make you feel very lazy, and you may be distant away from your books. That I don't want you to be that. There is a sentence, of course, it's from the Bible, which says, "My son, honor your father and mother. Give your words to your parents. Do not grieve them. If you don't grieve your parents, God will honor you." And I want, first of all, that all of you honor your parents. Don't hurt them. And when they tell you to sit and study, you study. And without they telling you to sit and study, you study, you'll make them happy. Now, our teachers, with much effort, they have been giving you online lessons. And since you don't have homework like face to face, some of you may take it lightly. Don't do that. Don't do that. You know why? Because before you open your eyes, there will be test exams, particularly for class 10 children. And it will come. You cannot escape that. And it will come with its rigor, and then you will notice, oh, it is too late. And but if you do this time well, and if you really prepare yourself, you can bravely face the test exam, and then you can be one of those children who would be above 90%, scoring above 90%. This I want, this blessedness I want, that all of you children, even in lower classes, particularly in class 10, I want you all to have. In Sacred Heart Church, every day, 4 times a day, we pray for all our teachers, children, and for the world, for our school children, and for all the persons affected by the pandemic. But we pray specially for you, though by God's grace you are protected from the pandemic. We pray for you that you also study well and you become the source of joy for your parents and for our school and for our nation. Children, I entrust you to the heart of God. This month is the month of the Feast of the Sacred Heart. I entrust all of you to God's heart. God's heart is a heart of love. God bless you. Bye.